come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way.
Sounds fine. I have gist. A solid gist.
Really?
Yes.
Tell me.
How should I really start? I want it to be nice, so then let me think about it. You know Scanty and Brita, they have a child, right?
Yeah, I know.
And I just found out that
what is it? Tell me, I'm curious.
The child is not for Scanty.
Eh?
The child is not for Scanty. The child is not for Scanty, and that's not like the main deal about this gist, because this one is not really surprising like that. But the surprising thing about this gist is that the father of the child is somebody in this school.
Wait, Brita Bano. Papa was school.
Yeah, and yes, Scanty. Wow, what's I find?
Aroma.
No. Aroma and Brita, they met in the school. No minimum who has an overs.
And who is it?
It's a teacher.
A teacher?
Teacher Bena shall be to me.
My. My this is by
Seer black.
No, precious.
It's Seer black.
Seer black.
Seer black. That's why I'm surprised.
How?
I was surprised. Like, I still can't believe it.
No, it's not true.
It's true.
Seer black.
Yes. Me, I'm not that surprised, because I'm surprised that it's Seer black, but from Brita's side, I'm not really surprised because she's capable. Don't you think? Don't you think she's capable of doing that? Yeah. But I'm surprised that Seer black is the one responsible. But
so many mysterious things. Hey, Seer black.
Fine.
So that means they knew each other.
Yes.
Wow.
Say, Mike. It's not the name of Cosunina, no any. And I say, I me better so I'm able to crank out the catching me way. I catch him because me a bema. May I be on my say, me met in your man. So, because I dear Seer, I say, a month for tear. Any was you,
Mike. Any was you, be any more opening guassier. Now, you see, a dear a panis will say, a GBO dear. Now, would be a chief from him.
And yeah,
so say,
a pass.
You would more send a year count. Send me Brita be dear grow. Now, I wore a peer from your back. Now, be Jimmy because I cranny and a banner. Mike, just find yourself in my shoes. Say one about day.
Oh, can you make day? A mum. One say I can't commit my police for you.
And I miss me 18. That time we need 18.
There's a Usru police.
Oh, police, there's will be a normal Usru police. We didn't have Usru police. Say Usru. In the same, let's see, I'm a coma above for more. This is my idea, so the Bebano and mammy. And this idea of power you do be, he say, we'll be 18.
Maybe so. I am no now man is captured, Johnny.
Mike, say Brita Becano Cratchewa from the onset of the pregnancy, the man is Cabribia or Continental or Beji. Which we catch himself crying so many don't Simon.
I can't show you no so banum don't Simon.
Say, eh, Mama. Ni me the mama. Many among the bearada.
Mr. Baby, I didn't do Seer. I was in your DNA.
DNA.
I was in your DNA, no. Said there be a boom say Adam's dear na say oh dear. Oh yes sir. I didn't go see a bebano. Yentimi because say my kwa me na ko mi nua ba ne ho no. Na we ya sa bitum no. E bibi foforo. Ntimi sere we panyi. Ebe ya de enko edie ne no. Na asem fa na asem ko. Misro.
Ntina die na wo kan. Who is going to foot the bill?
When I come on.
When be chia sa di any na wo kan eka. When be chia.
Na say no na be chia.
Mike. Bila me chia. E ba you say akrani me ba. Britain you say akrani me media no.
Komo be na ani media ne say wo kan sa de ani yenyina bubufu. Say wa ko shembe de wo ni wan be kan kire sese e na wo ho. Afia yenim sa akrani Adams de no wo kan bibi foforo. Enti Adams no Adams akrani ni Adams. Enye de ono mba.
Adams ben kasa se no crowd. En kasa wo bibi bi so wi say akrani wa ba. Bitter wa confirm say akrani ni ba.
Enye so wa confirm you.
Mr. Bitter
dey su enim say Adams ba.
Wo enim.
Obi enim.
Me ni wi ba ni dana wo.
Wo ni mi aba ni dana me ni won me smetima ma police for achi wo.
E dey twem.
Wo ka catch him say sana wo.
O ma 18.
Say asema ka catch him.
That time she was 16, he say or 19 or 20.
It be that me say me ni wo 16. Na papa penyin a wotuwe. Oni mi ni ya da. No wanyem no. No amane dia akohye obi no ntie.
Oni na me hu
we be na bi di we be yode.
Enye me de me ka je se me pe no. Me be se me ware no. Ti ase
16 years ya ware no.
Na ya ka se me na ni ni.
Na ntira.
Anka no anka ni budia so ya ntintro na ne mere.
Tira mu di dem no say.
Bi no be dem.
Misrew. Se wo so pa kra ne dia. Wo na wo so ma ekọ edie ne no. Ma ekọ edie ne no na asem fa na asem ko no obi antena ne ba bi pa cho be a stress bi o.
Ntina wo ji ase we gina mi sa. Se wo so da fo ni Scanty.
Aha.
Ka chen se me se bofra na me ba be ji ma die. So pedi adie ni no. Ene ekọ no ntua.
Scanty say o twemu wa hu no.
We so no me nkasa se we je.
Ntina me no say wo na wo die tine sisi anu na wo so ko edie ni say
oh Mike. Mr. Obana me dwene me ho. We be tia se na wi you can live in peace. What? So what you can't do we so fa ba na me dia. E fo no to asem ni biem.
I say threatening be man.
No, not threatening you, me threat why the be. You are my student, me threat why the bubu free. But the whole can na me bofu. Because say Scanty we dan for money ko banti. Uja me ticket say me konko edie ne me ntua.
Say Mr. Fitini ko hwe adwan die mu ye.
Yes, I be kumi won.
Nkasi me.
You are a killer. My J is a killer.
Na sha won antie mu su ye.
Sao.
Ade bia be wi ase we mu bia fitini ko hwe ni.
Ene mati
2026 emma bon someone fan asem embe for life.
They say bin sound na me ne tia no me boa.
Okay, say
Bien won na je betima ye.
Enye say
no be bien no betima Mike me flu.
Em ye ni point you can use moja ntwema me na me dia se metirim se meye. You can use moja ntwema yes moja no watwemu but me ni tirim no meye. Sa na mpese me kire o.
You Mike.
Enti ara so fofo ne ka yes moja twema me na me ye bon sam me dia se metirim se ade ya me ye meye. So fo so me twemu yesu ni. Utwa dem. Ma dwene na ma plan mu twem.
Okay. And you are fan. Ebeka wuti. Wuti me fan ye jumada. I'm not succumb to your threat. Wuti me no me Mike.
Say.
Wuti me no me de bia da.
Say me no na wo.
E to da ni ase da yidin ye na ya bodam.
Mu gachero. E na say abo ko so aka mo bodam bi o. Say wo so yere.
Me ka kire wo. Me si wo hu na wo ye no enyi me hu. Wo hwe mi time na ko se baby my exams ne kura won tire bi.
O threat me ana.
Me threat you. I'm not threatening you. Me nye bi so da. Me ka kire so wo hwe yi a. Me ma ko se baby exams ne kura won tire bi da.
Me ma ko se baby. Above police station if ana bet ma ko sha me ma.
You dare me.
Sure.
Mike, dare me. Man about the friend.
I did me recording you.
Hey, what recording me on?
We be to me there.
We dey now okay. We can threaten make us say be too.
We men threaten you.
Eh, asem na ka tell me.
So na ntie mu ye.
Na dey.
E we didi mu ye. Futu na metu say.
Party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come anymore.
I called you here to advise you about something.
Okay.
I heard you were dating Opoku.
Yes.
Is it true?
It's true.
And when I heard about it, I wasn't happy at all.
Why?
You know Opoku. Why do you... This is not the first time I'm advising you about something. I don't know why you see the obvious and you decide to approach it. But it is so obvious that Opoku is not the right person for you.
I like him.
How? What is there to like?
Everything. Like, I like everything about him.
What do
I'm
you
even
like?
in love with him.
In love?
Yes.
Oh, come on. Come on. Opoku is not a good person. You're not the first person that Opoku has been with in the school. And then the first person Opoku dated in the school, it didn't go well. Everything they do, we hear about it. Everything in the girl's family, we got to know about it.
He's a
Just
changed
listen
person
to me.
now.
No, he's not a changed person. I know Opoku. I know that I've been having conversations with him. I know what he tells me. And there is no way Opoku has changed. And there is no way Opoku is going to change for you. He might end up telling you that, oh, he will not change. Opoku will still be Opoku. So please, stay away from him. And if you've accepted his proposal, end it. Yes. I'm advising you as a good friend.
Yeah, I've heard you.
So when are you going to tell him?
I'll think about it.
What are you going to think about?
Everything.
Which everything? I've just stated something here. It's so obvious that you have to leave Opoku. Huh?
I'll tell him.
When?
Today.
Okay. That's fine.
Anyway, thanks for the advice.
Anytime.
Okay.
Don't end up dating even anybody in the school.
Okay.
Then let's go. Don't tell him that we had this conversation. Oh.
Why? Oh, I've heard you. I won't.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray let I rule for.
Okay.
Ade.
Na sema woni.
Asembe.
Me yo.
Ade di asem.
Hey. Baki na so won sa.
Ade my day.
Hey. Baki na school won nyina so in pabon for sa.
MK di na maya wu tuma kuma se. Ade.
It's not that maybe from me busa na say wo ye no phone for you hu. Me tiklos on se me da beka cho sa asem ho. Aso o se asem bi eni ho.
Ede no what MK me kwa wagina wachime gina ho ma. Ade asem.
Ba munipa mu ye dindin se mu hu.
MK wudi mi bia ka mi ku. Ede asem no what.
O fo asem fra kwa why ade na nye na me be kan say jon say wo koyin.
Me ma ade enye. O di se mi se wo. O ka se mi se wo.
Na wo me busa wo. Wo panti se wo ti school mo pa. We school fo nkora bi na wonka.
Me.
Na me.
Minyi bi kura da.
Wunye de da.
Minyi bi kura da.
Wunye de da.
Me.
Wunye bi da ka ma Britain woni no ewoba. Wunye bi da ka woni. Wa wi akoya na ruo school de so we no. Hey.
MK. Misiro.
Hey.
Minu se wo di wa no tropa no what asem yi die. Enti bia e betre secrecy. Misiro. Masimi enka me no ntem. Asemi misiro pa ma ne enka me no mi no ntem so what ya. Misiro.
Let us say no kore.
Metiti machiro. Enye se me be fa Breta wo school hanom. Minimi dada. Metiti machiro ni mu misiro.
Wuni mi dada. Eno be school so sa chi ni sa re no.
No, obe school me nye.
Obua jai edie. Obe school wa wo kra dada wo de so obe school onwe say.
Okay. Me say wo. Me say wo. Ela me say mai. Me minye sade no da.
Wo
si mi mama Breta dada.
Ha.
Misiro. Me penim gwasi bia. Wo de wonya obi asem no wo de be esi dua na esi wa no. Wo ba wi na no pa ewie no mre. Information mi si wa no. Me si Breta na minime dada sa na obe school mu ano. Misiro. MK. Masi mi enka mi ni entem. Me ba cho misiro pa.
Izisi akura na ye ndey.
Akwan de say me ba.
Nti ye ndey.
Me oni wa na ye ne dey. Me benti bisa se me ye ne dey. Me ba.
Se me sumi yonko no. Izisi ye mi ni asoma to ye.
Be take full ownership me beje me ba. Ma hwe me ba. Di umu ano no.
Enu ano ni ahwe no.
Me na mba be hwe me nyam no na ba be hwe me na mba be hwe no say black.
Ni say o me miska ni me kototo niema na me de bre no say akra ho niema o wi dey say o me na me ti me toto bibia nkakra di gu onom.
MK, I have legs. I can walk. Me want meet me akasa nyo na go try dia.
Me school na say me nim nua ne papa e be boa akra ni nim nu papa niema papa e be boa no. O pa che say unim esen me.
Unim. So unim du papa o ko to bi be ma wa ha no. Enua ba ho.
O jale. We asma say o kan.
Me yare.
We asma say apa mampa ye ni eyi duro.
O de ne kaka na yo. Wa gi kama fo nsensa me se me pa cho me srew. Asem wi e ma me ntim firi obi ano. So bi bo asem wo wa na se wo no waka.
Na wo tune kwa na sa se pa no.
Ai say we say
na pa esa akwa bi die.
Ai kwa me nkroma de na be so wo kaka.
Small boy no te kira no. Ni tin yo se mu ai ha.
Nyanya hwi. Me
Sa ne tie
ba cho watima se me die. Eni so be ka kira manfo so me sire hwe. Ayon
go
go
me ka kira obi. De me ka kira obi a.
Ah, se me
obi no me ka kira.
Me go check in kura.
Ene se so ko na pe bi ma mi di kaka.
Ye ni buti wo de me abrefi.
Ye ko na pe bi ma
me se ni me abrefi o ko yin. Bi ni fi sei. Enu me na me de me aduane abre mi. Adai.
Se ko kakra ho ni edi wi ani am. Akwa onim me. Eno odi mi bi di agoro no. Do utrun se sara diru ati
yeah me pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pesa me come any months adwa meya oh lord I pray
baby you want to talk to me when you cry anya me fe ate wo ba ate why te bo as woman na what's wrong?
Do you have an issue with anybody in this school?
Issue with anybody in this school? Issue.
But we don't lie to me.
No. I promise on my own, I no get issue.
Stop that. Stop joking.
Oh,
I don't like the way Precious is talking about you at the dorm.
Precious?
It's like you guys have issues.
I was there.
Opoku, stop. Just...
Yeah, I was there. Mommy who why any time? What was my day?
She said I should not be with you. You are not the kind of guy I should date in the campus. Okasadodo. Like, a lot. Opoku.
Precious need this uncommon.
Yeah.
Hey, Raddy. It is again a party, a pound or pay free coffee pokume hop. Baby, do you know something? Do you love me?
I do.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Until you be back. Okay. So do be our own. Yes. Mate said, almost say, you free life.
But it's not nice.
You free life because Tina me no Tino, me say nearby home. A month for being an uncoming on tomato part or mobile. Me, I'm lucky I have you, and you are lucky you have me. So we are
lucky to have you. Baby.
We are lucky couple.
But just. Do you have anything with her?
I don't have anything. What are you? Yes, she just hates me for no reason. I don't know what I have done to that girl.
That means I don't like her.
Yeah, don't like her. Why? She was talking about my matter.
Yes, she said a lot, and I was even like, yeah, I should stay away from you. Yeah.
Oh Lord, have mercy upon me. She said, stay away from me, right? Do you know that girl come and tell me that she liked me, and I said I don't like her. That really? Is all the problem. That is all the problem. Don't be mad. It is a long.
So I should not ask her.
No. It's a once upon a time kiss.
Okay.
I check Obepe me. Ejina menim bebunko to dwe. Ebunko to dwe pa ma chew person na metina. Ohun so fanboy suma da nam say.
Okay.
Me pay oba as or no more approach me. And me pay the me am approaching. So you don't mind her.
Okay.
You know I love you, man.
I love you.
Come close to me, baby. Come close to me. And every day I'll make sure that I'll make you happy.
Okay.
Every day I'll make sure that I'll make you happy. Tell me that you won't leave me.
Baby, I won't leave you.
Oh, you melt my heart. Do you know that I was a singer? Yes. Tete no mucha sini ya na ni soundtrack. Oh, a Yimukra, Jacapia, and Indy. Number 2, a Yimbe. Janasina will perform. It is time to see the light me. On the super see the I see. Hey, tim tim, ti 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 tim tim. It is in on time for you. And I'm the voice in the show. Ti 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 yo, I got good die for. Very nice. Yes.
Hey, headmaster. This is my question school money.
Look at myself him.
Hey, black.
Say black pa.
Meti asebi mo nam se bi asemu de man nsrim trim. Asemu kwade ma my catch headmaster. Enye.
Baba, are you sure?
Headmaster me say me gidi se black. Akora nko ne no hihyo. Akora be school nko o de so ne hihyo ne da.
Baba, no can we are sure.
Me so ne da. No se black ko akora nya ba ko po. Which is open school according to the Bricra.
They said they won't young me anyway. Cranny, there's about Copenhagen. Near Cano, Bibia say, and no school man on any insane. Fine, one in any something, but some area would keep you that secret to a mark or the best school, one in them schools who no crowd down. Hey, what's who Nima Cranny babe? Yeah. Hey, you're saying here going your baker tree.
Black.
Let's say I don't know a phone.
Oh, so to Mr. Corona Gigi so say dear check. Oh,
Corona say black cry, not your mom. Some passes a case with one man. I don't know one Casasimu, Fino School Manona, or Babacasam.
And I said, baby, I will tell you, I thought you attend there. It's in any who you know, me says, and you know,
Okatanya, so we are telling you, I went in there.
Yet, and you know, say, who you are all two, and Nangang.
Wow, I will cast a whistle in your mouth.
Hey, now to a woman, Hanuman, Aquana be a quani chini do 1 year. No,
1 year and there be Baba, your cats, my what dream on Brentino, and a nipper cats, some corn and co.
Hey, headmaster, there's some phone and dancing.
There is the truth.
Why do you name it?
I want you more.
Say black one in a crowd will conquer has an you more.
That's all we call an Omompel, and inter. May I be uncle any power.
Maybe I'm going to meal. Share. Ah, no, I mean, pass him. Maybe pass him some more. You impend once him.
Pass him somewhere.
Maybe impend once him. See, a teacher so I'm from once him, but maybe impend me once him.
I said black on him.
I mean, no, the Abba. Me, the India, Aquani, the who know year in a because so Aquan will choose a black GB there. As a man in Libere,
it's also make us also what dream moment.
In a content man
say black way a penny. Oh, yeah, the Nasa the Nenya, a so who come of us over 100. You imagine a bedroom and yet any missa. Don't win your one. Cobation could to pass any way and 1 year being count.
Ah, now I'm mocking at the Yabujo Hana. And I say, ye 2 parts to Hanu Jinan Walker. Hey, one walk run on now can as much and young concan and Conyan Day.
Baba dear.
And I present 2 parts to whom you pension and things and Zanwaka.
Our for Brego.
Send it say.
Until we woman may woo we are some woman, but nice boy when him so to me.
Ah, Headmaster, on some kicking you.
The blue so near America, we are near America.
As on some kicking yet. As a routine, say, I say, if we 2 years, I'll cost so getting. As all person the kicker can some phone.
The bill, what you know, Jimmy. I say, come on to Jimmy.
I don't know how they don't know.
Hey, MK. Sound some phone I wouldn't chai. Men peso back also, may measure no man and a cat. But only so back question could to palm and not 20 or no so. Massa, school man, no one's anyhow. Waba asama ba wo ka kire me asam na ni won say enya ne kanu fine ye mfra ne ntunu fo no ujan na wo ye na de ye no ye baba da be pa na wo be hunu nyansa.
Ah, headmaster, eti wo na wo ni akure anyim e na akure di nyinse no wo
e na anya me ne akure na anya me san say minim nyansa nti me nya ne waye no
sa eti headmaster da be so ni akure bi show de ne se na so agimi
Freeman Suko.
Dia ini nyina say agimi for me ni
me say Freeman Suko
ne maka kire me kwa anu ti aye ndi
okum da ko. Mi de bufo ba bubo okum.
Headman said that could say my boo.
Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come any months.
Opre. Sha. Precious. We are see that be chiri obi we are selling any nine. And I will be a sebi prejudice and we pay for. Obi a wan pro obi kan ko. Precious. E dey biem na oje film ho. I just say me get no go chuku me. I just say me get no go chuku me. Adai. Try ma me kan tell. Get us all kan one few. Us all kan one few. Say na nim say o best o ko say me. O ko say me. Say me pay obi Precious. Go your way and let me go my way. Who dey ti? Only boy no cha boy na. Na cha boy no dey. Mo makati amai. Only boy no mo say mo do bia mudi. Mo ni mo do. Dey in on lane. Me to get mine. Let me dey in my lane. I don't think I will cross here see lane him. I be see me dem. Who say cross accident? Try Precious. And then me ba so gwama. Precious. Me pese be do time be say ma tene me say na ma ball. Ebi ana ma show aso maybe akofa problem be braba. Me pawase mo pon la bia me pawase. But say no, we say we are no more together. Obi ana me ba bi. They say obi are busy with relationship mo. And they say my busy my dream say me me go relationship. My dream me plan kwan be for so be ko vacation. She say kwan kind of vacation. She say kind of vacation. Me dream kwan me me wife be for so ko vacation. I was Zanzibar ne South Africa ne ade. Who disturb me? Adai. So kan ka why didn't say oh say me ache again na ka again na o say again 90. Oga fele. Shame on you. She. A wild dog, meow, a pussycat, whoa, a lion. Lion has a tail. It has a big head and a very small waist. I'm not Are
you done?
Am I dying? Oh, Germany, Mama Academy, am I dying? Share, Mammy can't show. So far, Precious. Why I toss back, I toss me and I toss me and sat. I toss now, Precious. One way I have you. Mimi, no.
I toss me and sat.
I toss him now.
Why you get another girl be America? Where?
Maybe person me chese, the way you toss me and sat. I toss him now, man, toss him now. So can I get no tea? Buffalo.
Say she's going to think about it.
She's going to think about it. I mean, okay, to say guys now me di kan ni omo na na. We no me lusu boat ni mo. Me lusu ti no. E be din so bet me miem. Me lusu adwene ni. Adai, open me. No. Boy, Aroma na pen. Woni den tena. Me nya dem pen. E na girl no so kra no. Na minim se oba tuntu ma ye o ma tuntum wo mo fechen ma akoko. Na minim da onto se mi share girl. If you na ko me for oba akoko wi ase biem. Tuntum kwa na me no be hwe o oba. So facial expression. Oh pink lips. O tell ya wan no na na skuma na ho ofe na. Shoba. Oba no o smile kra fekeke. O smile adu ti adado aso. O smile as o rumako. Oba no smile at him say, "Who DB say woni mu." Ken was I DB ni papa ni mama say, "Esa wuska." Inti memle. Oba Opoku, have you eaten? Me say, "No." One kind cannot just show me say. Efe. Eye ho ya na ye ya. Me fi say me ni usan. Won to calipo nkran biscuit. Won to ba akra ma me da. Fi say me ni usan. Won to ba akra ma me da. Me nya DB a wo be say no. Jesus. Mu ba bi a wo gina, mu stand. What? Mu stand.
As long as I didn't lie, I don't regret anything that I
I don't think I was at the first place. I don't
because I'm a girl's girl. I'm always there for my girls. Until say, "Oh yeah, baby, like," and it's affecting my girl. I'm going to be there for her.
Is he your mother daughter?
No.
Is he your uncle Anda?
But I know that you are not the best for her.
You know that I'm not the best for her.
Yes.
So right now you can decide for everybody. You are stupid. You are crazy. You don't try me and you see where power lies. Precious, don't let me show you my bad side. Don't let me show you the true colors.
Alright, you can go.
Oh dear, let today be your first and last. That's why I'm saying that. Let today be your first and last. Dear base, no. I'll be another door for woman nipan in Chile asumdum. Oh, ko say me. Open them to me and try. Put them to me. Leave that.
Okay, so Amabrita was my girlfriend before she get a chance to enroll in this school. Actually, she was having a band in the oven. She got pregnant, and then I took the charges upon myself to take good care of her. As soon as the child came out, ever since then I have never seen Amabrita again. Now, say we say obe school muhanom. And I me bisa ni say me banu we na okay can a whole lot of things. Me no di nkuma na o kire me say o si Scanty and ye akwa ni papa. Nam si debi akwa na me ba. O le me say me na me bo akwa no ke bibia me na me tue bibia nti di nti na o ka sa akwa no nya me ba. Na akwa ni ye Scanty ba. Say no na ye obia ye kika ye kanti me say bia beto anim dia.
So if what you're saying is right, it means you lost track of Amabrita along the line, isn't it?
That's it, sir.
Meaning you are not responsible.
Sir, I'm very responsible.
No, you are not.
I took care of the pregnancy.
You took care of the pregnancy, but you didn't know where she was living, isn't it?
Sir, actually, I searched everywhere.
Did you know?
I didn't.
No, I'm asking you. Did you go to her family when she conceived?
No, sir, I didn't go there because...
Meaning you are not responsible. Accept it. Besides this issue, you are supposed to discuss it at home, not on campus. So why should you blow things out of proportion? Why should you come to campus washing your dirty linen in a public?
Say, I searched for Amabrita.
The fact that you looked for her and you did not see her, it doesn't mean you have every right to come and solve this issue on campus. That's exactly what I want you to understand.
Say, I didn't say the issue. Amabrita did.
Amabrita did what? You told me you confronted Adams, isn't it?
Yes, I just asked Adams.
Why did you do that? You are matured for crying out loud. You see, there are certain things you don't have to do. If Scanty is a young man, you are older than him, you should think outside the box.
So actually, I'm very sorry for that. The harm has
You should be sorry for yourself because it has nothing to do with me. But it's not appealing. It's not nice for people to hear this. Why should you go drag issue with your student about a baby?
Say, what prompted me to do that was that Scanty was trying to play with my intelligence. But say, the harm has already been caused, so let's find a way of burying the hatchet. Then we solve everything
Scanty is trying to play a game
with my intelligence.
With your intelligence. So how intelligent are you? Tell me. As an intelligent man, you impregnate a girl and you not even step a foot at a parent's house to let them understand you are responsible for her pregnancy, and you are talking about intelligence.
So at that time, I was very far older than Brita. So I thought it twice if I go to a parents.
Yes! It affirms that you are foolish. Why should you go for a kid? Huh?
As a result of bad this thing last. So
because you don't think. No, you don't think. And to spoil everything, you have the guy to come to campus and be fighting your own students over here.
No, say, I have never fought with Scanty. I have never done that. Who told you that? Say?
So where from the tag of war? Tell me. Where?
Say, I called Scanty and then I told him to let's sit and talk amicably. So he was shouting.
So ideally, are you not supposed to go and see your parents instead of calling that small boy to discuss this with? Are you thinking?
Yes, I am.
You are not. No. You don't think. Who are you supposed to discuss this issue with? Is it not her parents? So why should you call Scanty and fight him? Why should you approach that boy?
Since he was the bone of contention, that's why I also did that. Say,
Scanty is not the bone of contention. The bone of contention is your intelligence. You are being foolish. You are refusing to use this. But let me remind you, this issue, try to bury it. I don't want to hear anything about this on this campus. If you have anything to say regarding this, make sure you solve it outside this campus, but not on this campus.
Say, you are being harsh on me.
I'm not being harsh on you, but I'm just putting you at your right place. Yes. If you are failing to think, I will think for you. So I don't want this issue to be discussed on campus.
You say, what are you telling Scanty to?
What am I telling Scanty? You don't have any business with Scanty. Scanty is not my employee. He is not my subordinate.
He sees me and then he starts casting insinuations.
But who called for that? You did. That's why I said, you knowing perfectly you are older than that young man, you should have handled the case prudently. So I don't want to see that. I don't want to hear anything of that sort on this campus.
Yeah, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm
so angry.
Why? What's wrong?
Do you know that girl, Luchi or whatever? I called this girl to advise you about Opoku. I told you to stay away from Opoku because Opoku is not the right person for you. And she went to snitch.
Precious, seriously. Why would you do that?
Why would I do it?
Why would you meddle in someone's relationship?
But I like the girl. And then I just wanted to advise her.
No.
So if I am doing something bad, wouldn't you call me to advise me?
But you are not supposed to do that. Besides, Opoku proposed to you several times. You said no. So why should you go and advise his girlfriend to stay away from him?
Why are you making me a bad person?
The way in the one, yeah.
It's in me, baby. Won't you call me to advise me?
Yes, I'll do that.
So what is so wrong about this?
Not in a relationship. Not someone's relationship.
The time I was dating Scanty, we were not cool.
Yes.
But I remember people calling me to advise me to stay away from him. And Aroma too. So, why is the big deal?
No. One say, Obi wa told Doma we Jimmy.
Opoku is not like that. I know Opoku will not change. No matter what, Opoku will not change.
Nah, Obi relationship as me found being precious.
I just don't want the girl to end up like some of the people in the school.
Who Jimmy?
Santua.
No, Jai, no. Say, Opoku Yenax girl nepa. Oh, how they say. Oh, no, what's Nana and you so be Jai.
Auntie, why are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you.
You just said, where Jimmy?
You just don't want to listen to me.
I am listening to you. And you are not making sense on me. So why are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. I'm trying to tell you that. Don't do it.
I didn't repeat myself to the girl. I called you once. So if you didn't want to listen to my advice, you could have just told me up front that, Precious, I won't listen to you. I still want to stay with him.
No.
But you decided on the first time that I decided to advise you, decided to go and tell your
boss.
Meanwhile, you told me that you will listen. You have even listened and you are going to tell the guy right now. This is what she told me. She told me that, I've heard you. I'm going to break up with the guy. And then you go behind my back to go and tell the guy that I said this and that.
That's why I'm telling you that. So be told Doma, no way Jimmy. Oh, do you understand me?
Obi a relationship
man, so Obi do Obi a into the phone.
But did I do something bad? No. I called her once. And can my friend it was 2 or 3 times. I can't know there. It makes sense. But my friend the one time pay.
But do you know you have to apologize to Opoku?
Why? I said the truth.
You are destroying his relationship.
So you think Opoku is good for her?
I say in the own business.
Will you date Opoku?
Hell no.
You see, you will not date a guy. So why is there a problem if I talk about it?
No, but you should stop that. You know, when you see someone in a relationship with somebody, just leave them alone. Just mind your business.
Hey.
Yes. Mind your business.
I've learned that. Let's go. Did you?
And now that's so fair, no.
Me, I've never liked.
Wait there, man. Per Adams. Maybe Kassaun.
So soon edit as I mentioned.
Charlie, come on, I'm new, but you know. The Dican, my Dican Castle make sure. And you say, be a minimum be. me de ekosu bia me menim hu bi menim de eko komo we meni say black akwa kushia aka ho asem chale komo ni me di na say no so ni amaye de e wo honom at the same time na amasa na won so we de e wo chale adiwi me bema o ye bema give me any bit my kan adua bu ya solve issue we amanako Adams china se bema nkomo we me nkodidi ntiri wo bia mani nka ye ntem yenhwe ni yankanfio
me menye bema o me na ma me yese o me oba o
komo ani me di na Adams
me oba ntimi
ntisi a de won say yenhwe ni nko edi ni no nko pedi ani bi nya na ye hu no kure wum kachi yensa ade a eni ye hu no kure wum
o my dey na ndie necessary say be ba yenwie ni enhwe was next by indik in fit people start say enye ho na ye boys e bit ma create abom na the other be so then you dey ni you hu no kure wum you na take it from there. You know about me say boys and asses. Say me dey be aka chem say me guy that. Me boy o, me oba o. Na mana me chacha me tu ni me sisi hu. Me oba.
Ati any oba me team me siro. Yense na yen solve issue. Me patrol pa. Me pese issues we oba na fe dey we kona we ka we na ja. Sala long ne twem. Nti me siro. What ye minister black be kasani nkwan a ye be fa so a DNA ni sanyoma ni na be kosna challenge asundue di na atundue aba na obi apen baby atena challenge this time around no baby adwene dan on
oh my ti ye ko DNA no na entesa say na asundue like obi ada be ko DNA na tesa then asundue na oh Mike ye ko DNA na say tesa wo tin se me ne ubehu se me nunu aba na wo ba keke kra de na wo anye usu mu
chama
de na wo anye na me ya me behu se 5 years ni na de me fa mu ni na say nya me de kala me mu na me no me asu
kala we na me kasi edi mu achini ya se ya ade ni enye mu no kra ba start 30 you
se enye mu no wo ye ka che me se fa wo anye
chama jadi wo ye na ni pe kwan ya be fa so e be solve ni o man feel wonom asa na wa na o de na o ni di nkoma hu nkomodi o me san show no
asa san na so me san show no se si obi an san show obi
me try say bibia be ye okay keku asa me nka me metime film na makopem baby atena aka me ya ne nko a ba la bi on ma hu ne say e bad side ntinye ma bi o say me solve na bibia ye okay so what I say enye say bia we hu ntie bia wo nipa ni mi o de bi nyama down for no because this year this time no this time is not for friends. You see, so we me right now, baby, I join down the so we issue with am also. No, boy. This time I can say me stress. Me stress, David, bra. It's me shane so we issue now asem na asem ko. It's now to boss here. You know, I'm person me catch you.
That's a plan. Right.